Hello, my name is Kai, and today I will be talking about the Keo satellite. The Keo satellite was going to be launched in 2006 carrying messages from the citizens of Earth's future, generations living 50,000 years from now when the satellite would re enter. The project was sponsored by the United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization and the European Space Agency, among other institutions. Keo was named after the most frequently used sounds in all languages, being K, E, and O. The messages and other contents would be encoded in radiation resistant DVDs. Symbolic instructions in several formats will show how to build a DVD reader, which might no longer exist 50,000 years from now. The satellite itself is a titanium hollow sphere which is 80 centimeters in diameter, engraved with a map of Earth and surrounded by several layers of other materials that make the sphere resistant to cosmic radiation, atmosphere reentry, space junk impacts, and so on. As the satellite re enters the atmosphere, one of these layers will produce an artificial aurora borealis. The satellite will not carry any communications or propulsion systems, but feature two wings to increase visibility for ground observations. It is to be launched on a Ariane 5 rocket into an orbit of 1,800 kilometers high in late 2006. Everyone could contribute by sending messages to future beings from the Keo website. The satellite had enough capacity to carry a four-page message from each of the 6 billion people on the planet at the time. Once the satellite launched, the messages would be made freely available on the web. Keo was also to carry a drop of blood, samples of air, seawater, and rocks. The DNA human genome would be engraved on one of the faces. The satellite was also going to carry an astronomical clock that shows current rotation rates of several pulsars, photographs of people of all cultures, and a contemporary library of Alexandria, which is an encyclopedic compendium of current human knowledge. The Keo project was conceived in 1994 by French artist-scientist Jean-Marc Philippe, a pioneer of space art. After many delays, the launch of Keo was scheduled for 2017, but unfortunately, the status of the project is unclear and there have been no updates. By now, sources are saying that the mission was cancelled, which is sadly most likely the truth. Thank you for watching our brief summary of the Keo satellite, and we will see ya in the next video.